Hello student, I am Professor Jyoti Anil Mahatme from Computer Science Department of KIT Nasi. This is a lecture for subject Introduction to Cyber Security or Information Security conducted for student of PG1. In today's lecture, we will discuss about the module first. First module is prerequisite in information and network security. In today's lecture, we discuss about the chapter. In previous lecture, we will discuss some of the topics from chapter 2 and the topics are information security overview, different types of attacks on information, goals of security and some of the points related with e-commerce security. In today's lecture, we will see next topics from same chapter. The chapter is Information Security Concept, in which we will discuss about the basic concept related with information security. In today's lecture, we will see about the computer forensic field and steganography technique. The learning objective of today's lecture is to study about the computer forensic. Means what is meant by computer forensic, what is the purpose of computer forensic and different types of technique or the area in which computer forensic will be used. After that, we will study about the steganography technique, which will see what is meant by steganography and different types of technique used for steganography. Computer forensic. The forensic is the field of scientific knowledge that is used to collect, analyze, and present evidence to the court of law. Forensic is a discipline that deals with analyzing and presenting latent evidence. The latent evidence can be of many forms, like fingerprint on windows or DNA evidence recovered from blood stain on files of hard drive. We define a computer forensic as a discipline which combines the element from law and computer science. It is used to deal with collect the data from computer system, computer network, wireless network, or any types of digital media which can be admissible as a evidence in the court of law. The goal of computer forensic is to examine digital media in forensically sound manner with a aim of identifying, preserving, recovering, analyzing, presenting facts and opinion about the digital information. The computer forensic is a field which is used in different types of digital crimes. Find the evidence against some suspect or to find the evidence in some crimes. There are different types of guidelines which will be followed to process the evidence. Like when you want to find the evidence using the digital media like the computer or any type of digital media, then before processing that digital media or before processing that digital device, you must shut down that digital device or computer properly. Second, document the hardware configuration of the system. Note the hardware configuration related with that system properly prior to relocating or prior to changing. Then transport the computer system to a secure location to prevent it from unaccessed or unauthorized. Make bitstream backup of hard disk or floppy disk. Then mathematically authenticate data on all storage device. Means if in future some of the data will be changed, then this mathematically authenticate data will be proof against that change. Document the system date and time properly. Means how you handle that system, at which time you handle that system, that time or date must be documented properly. Make the list of key search word that is used against the crime or against the evidence on that digital media. Evaluate the Windows swap file. The swap file is the area on hard disk which used as the virtual memory extension of computer's real memory. Also evaluate the file stack. file slack is also the area on hard disk unaware by the user. That area can be act as a leakage for security information security. Also evaluated unallocated space means if any space will be filled, then that space are evaluated. Next, search file slack and unallocated space for keyword. Means if you want to find something related with some keyword on that digital media, then everything about that keyword is also evaluated, like on which file that word is find, on which file slack that word will be found, and which unallocated space is used for that file or that word in previous era. Then document file name, date and time properly. Means during investigation which file you access, at which time and at which date, that must be documented properly. Identify file, program and storage anomalies if any found. Evaluated program functionality. During investigation, if any program or any software on that digital media will be used, then properly evaluated the program functionality related with that application or that software. Document your finding properly in proper sequence. In which sequence you follow all these steps must be documented properly. Written copies of software used in document. There are some fields in which computer forensic is used, like the criminal prosecution, in which the digital evidence is used against the indiscriminating document. Second, it is used by insurance companies to mitigate the document against the fake accident or fraud cases. Third one, it is used for the law enforcement in which it is used to find the evidence against some crime. The second technique in this is steganography. Steganography is a technique in which the hidden message or the secret message is hiding within an ordinary message or within any other image. Steganography is a technique in which the extraction of secret data is only by its destination. Means only the sender and receiver of that message can understand the meaning of message and all other ordinary user will not understand. Steganography is a practice of concealing a file, message or video within another file. Means any data, maybe in any form that you want to transfer secretly, is hide inside another message, and then that hide message is transferred on transmission media. The meaning of that message is only understood by the receiver of that message. Example, the hidden message may be in invisible link between the visible lines of private data. Steganography is not same as a cryptography. Cryptography means it is one message is converted into another message using different types of technique. Whereas in steganography, the one message is hide another message. Cryptography is related with the privacy of data, whereas steganography conceals with the secrecy of data. Different types of technique is used to hide the message, and that techniques are physical technique, digital image techniques, digital text, puzzles, and social steganography. One of the example of physical technique is that the hidden message is written on wax tablet, in which the message is printed on wood and covered with wax material. Also, another example of physical technique is that hidden message will be printed on human body in the form of tattoos. The meaning of that message is only understood by the receiver of that message. Second one is the digital image in which data are covered by the digital or LSB of the image. Means the hidden message is stored in every noisy LSB bits of digital message or digital image. The third one is the digital text, in which the Unicode or ASCII code is used for conversion from one text to another text. After that, we can use the puzzles like Sudoku for transferring the message, and also we can use the social steganography. One of the best example of social steganography that we can use the heading, or we can use the some of the words inside the video or heading for the video to transfer the message. That message is only understand by the receiver of that message. Also, another example that we can use the social media for transferring the message using different type of coding language, or we can use the misspelling words to transfer that message. This is one of the best example of digital signography. In this example, we can see that the first color, that is the number 144, 141 and 81, is the actual data that will be stored on digital image. If you want to transfer the hidden message like 101001, we can change these three numbers into another number. Like if we change the LSB in image, then to send the first bit, that is hidden message first bit 1, can change the LSB in first color, that is 144 is replaced with 145 because LSB becomes 1. Also, the second hidden bit is 0. For that purpose, the LSB of second color, green color, is changed, which becomes 140. And third, 81, which is as it is because the last bit is same in hidden message as well as color code. Same way in last row. Instead of just one bit, we can send two bit of hidden message at a time. So two LSB will be changed, which are the actual message from the hidden message. So in this way, the digital steganography can be used to send the hidden message with the help of LSB in images. So in today's lecture, we will discuss about the concept of computer forensic, what is meant by computer forensic, what is use of computer forensic. Also, we will discuss about the steganography techniques. In next lecture, we will start with third chapter, study about the overview of security threat and some of the techniques of weak and strong password and password cracking.